This is the 2024 Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato, a factory-built off-road supercar perfect for dunes, speed bumps, and potholes. The Sterrato comes as the final iteration of the Lamborghini Huracan and the last of the glorious V10, which it shares as a detuned version of the STO and Technica engines. Total production is limited to 1,499 cars, which is an increase from Lamborghini's original planned production, all of which sold out with a starting MSRP of $278,972. Not that you'll be able to find one for MSRP. The exterior features a ton of changes and additions to the aluminum and plastic body, giving the impression of a Mad Max Lamborghini or a Huracan with an OtterBox. The Sterrato features big plastic fenders, plastic side skirts, off-road LED lights in the front so you can see better, front splitter, roof rails with a very limited 88-pound weight limit as it is still a supercar, a massive central roof scoop to intake clean air away from the dust while the side ducts have been blocked off, and so much more. Underneath, the chassis is composed of carbon fiber and aluminum with a rugged underbody to protect the car. The track has been widened 1.2 inches in the front and 1.4 inches in the rear, along with a 1.7-inch increase in height, allowing for improved suspension travel. Additionally, the Sterrato receives staggered 19-inch cast aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Dueler off-road tires, running 235/40 in the front and 285/40 in the rear, which cover carbon ceramic brakes with 6 piston calipers in the front and 4 piston calipers in the rear. The technology has been updated as well with a performance traction control system that has been developed specifically for the Sterrato's unique characteristics, including specific strata and sport mode calibrations, along with a new rally mode for low grip conditions that is exclusive to the Sterrato. The Sterrato loses the rear-wheel steering on other models, but maintains the electronically controlled all-wheel drive, mechanically self-locking differential, and electromechanical power steering. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10, producing 602 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, running up to 8,500 RPM, which is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, sending power to all 4 wheels. Coming in at 3,241 pounds, the Sterrato achieves 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds with a limited top speed of 161.5 miles per hour, which is limited by drag and the off-road tire speed durability, so I wouldn't recommend taking that off. That limited top speed would technically make the Sterrato the slowest Lamborghini since the LM002 SUV. And a fun fact, the Sterrato has an EPA rating of 13 miles per gallon city, 19 miles per gallon highway, and 15 miles per gallon combined. So if you take that combined 15 mpgs with the Sterrato's 21.1 gallon fuel tank, you should have an estimated range of 316.5 miles. The Sterrato is an incredible automobile which exists solely as a fun haver. So while most of these Lamborghinis will likely never see dirt, be sure to applaud those that do, and they would be excellent at traversing snowy landscapes or even cities with a ton of potholes and speed bumps, making this the ultimate Lamborghini and a proper Huracan send-off. Thank you so much for watching that video. What do you think about the brand new Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato? Be sure to let me know down below in the comment section, and if you could throw me a like button, I'd really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching that video, and of course, I will see you guys next time.